Hello, fellow business owners. It's Ginger Allen with your Marketing Liaison. When it comes to marketing, we've got you covered. From TV to branding and everything in between. So subscribe and enjoy the ride. So what is field marketing? So field marketing is door-to-door marketing. Very similar to the old school door-to-door marketing that you would see with the guy that sold the vacuums. That is what you're doing. You're actually getting in your car, going out to businesses, walking in, asking to speak to the manager or the business owner, giving them your card, your quick pitch about you, and letting them know that your business exists and what you do. So you may be asking yourself, why do I need field marketing? Isn't social media and online marketing enough? And my answer to you is no. You really need to get out there and meet people face to face, person to person, especially now with the online market being so busy and so inundated. There's a loss in trust factor online. So you don't really know what you're getting. But when you meet somebody in person and you get to know them and they get to know you, it brings a whole nother level of credibility, trust and awareness. And remember, it's all about getting them to know, like, and trust you. So let's talk about some businesses that benefit from field marketing. One that I work with a lot is the medical field. And the reason why field marketing works great for physicians is because physicians are so busy that they actually are not online. Surprising, right? So they actually very little time online, spending most of the day with their patients, the end of the day doing their notes, rushing home to be with their family. So you're not going to catch physicians online, or very rarely. They'd have to be searching you out. So a great way to get to physicians is to actually go to their location, to their office, speak to their office manager or their referral person, and actually let them get to know you that way. So that's one of the businesses that field marketing works really great for. So what you want to take with you when you do your field marketing is obviously your business card and some collateral materials. So we always try to bring a brochure, whether it be a trifold or a rack card, with us, so you have something that you can leave behind. And I'll give you a little tip. Always bring a treat. Why? Because typically people that are in the office all day are hungry towards the end of the afternoon. They're starting to slow down. They're starting to get tired. And you bring them a little bit of chocolate or a cookie, and that's a great pick-me-up, and they're gonna remember you and they're gonna keep your stuff. And then while you're there, make sure you collect from them their business card, their brochure. Make sure you write down the person's name that you spoke to so that all of that can go into your CRM when you get back to your office, and you can start a drip campaign and stay in touch with them. So if you have any questions about field marketing, please leave a comment down below. And until next time, we've got you covered.